here we are with the Beetlejuice of it all. As you can see, this is my idea for the nails. Of course, doing it in my maxi way of it all. These are the colors, the background colors to the two colors for each of my hands, and all that awesomeness as we bring in this spooky month of it all at this point. Don't forget, as next week, it's going to be cobweb spiderwebby nails. So look forward to that next week. But for right now, let's get this Beetlejuice of nails come to life on these bad boys of it all. So now putting on that base. The sparkle. Yes, it's thin. It's definitely going to need around 3 coats. And here we go with that second coat to bring the white sparkle to life, and 3. And this is what I'm using to do the lines with my awesome line brush here. Soaking it. Now let's do these lines by hand. Can be a little finicky, especially if there's enough polish on the brush. So I had to go back and get some more. And that's what I'm doing to make sure I got a nice line to it all so I can make these Beetlejuice nails come to life. Yes, one line to the next. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Getting that second line on, making it come that way and this way. Whoop, needed some more once again. Darn little brush, but it is making some nice lines if I do say so. So now with all that, I'm holding the lines in with a nice, thick, glossy top coat. I am now going to do the part where you saw this light color, and this one's going to be the green, and I am doing it with a sponge because then it's thinner and it gives more of that just whatever technique. And there was some where it was at the bottom of the nail, so I thought I'd do some at the top and some at the bottom. And here is the purple I'm using. I changed it because I thought I'd want to go with the hollow taco purple that I happen to have. So with that, as you can see, the bead of clear, holding it in place as it moves, try to make sure it doesn't get on my skin too much. Let's glossify that all. Whoops, I did get it on my skin still, so I'm cleaning that up before it dries. Now I have the Beetlejuice. Oops, I said it more than 3 times. Uh-oh, I made him come to life. Ooh, well, there we go. It has come to life on my nails of it all. If I do say so myself. With the nice purple ones and the nice green. Exactly, actually, as the ones I found on the internet to get the idea from. So I decided to just split the 2 colors and put one on each hand like I always do. But as you saw, I did show you doing the purple, and I decided to just swatch, put it on, dab on my thumb without the lines for this hand. And I just happened to have green from my last manicure. So that is my last manicure I did, and it's a green that kind of went with it. So I said, okay, it happens to still be on my nail, so I'm going to leave it. Now, all I gotta do is use my handy dandy, awesome hollow taco of some nail oil to just keep my nails nice and rejuvenated from all the dryness of everything, and to just keep them from not being fragile and having more of a bend in them, which the nail oil can help with. So I don't have brittle nails, I have more flexible nails. I'm just putting in the underneath parts. But of course, I only oilify my nails after the fact, not before, or I wouldn't have been able to paint the polish on as good because the oil would get in the way. So yeah, these are officially done. Feeling Beetlejuice. Oh no, he's back again. Not again. Oof, gotta keep this mouth shut to the Shuttertons. So with all that, don't forget to come back next week where we do some awesome nails, and those, like I said, spider webs. And there is some even more to come in the end of this month. So don't forget to stay tuned for that, because these nails might be an emphasize of what might be coming for my slight Halloween costume that I'm thinking of doing to have a little fun, because why not? We can have fun here down under as well, even though it's getting warm. So with all that, but not warm enough because you can see I am wearing a jumper, but I don't think I could wear this out, but that's beside the point. With all that and the spooky-licious of it all, see you in the next video. Sparkle, sparkle, boom!